Skukuna United 0, Orlando Pirates 0. Referee blows the whistle and the game starts. 2 minutes inside the game, Moremi finds himself inside the box, takes a shot, but the shot is saved by the Skukuna United goalkeeper. 9 minutes inside the game, there's a long throw by Skukuna United inside the box. Orlando Pirates is unable to clear the ball. The ball ends up by Mujela, but Mujela cannot find the vital touch to score a goal as he was under pressure from Siema. 16 minutes inside the game, there's a corner for Orlando Pirates. Ball goes inside the box, ends up by Tito. Tito passes Siema, but when Siema crosses the ball, it finds no one inside the box. In the 38th minute, there's a ball in by a Skukuna player inside the Pirates box, but Makaola clears the ball before Krobler can get his touch on the ball. It seemed like a foul, but upon further review, Makaola did clear the ball. Around the 40th minute, Moremi finds himself facing the opposition box. There's a ball to Sevelebele, who tries to hit a shot at goal, but it's deflected, which ends up going towards Mahopa, but the Skukune defender does well to clear the ball out for a corner. The corner is taken. Moremi passes Sevelebele, who proceeds closer inside the box, passes the ball to Svisi inside the box, but Svisi fails to score as it goes straight into the Skukune United goalkeeper hands. This was a good save by the Skukune United goalkeeper, as this would have been 1-0 before halftime. Skukune is yet to have a shot on target. Halftime hits. Skukune United has been defending for 45 minutes straight. Halftime returns and Pirates kicks off the ball. 57 minutes inside the game, a Skukuna player is brought down just outside the box. Unfortunately, the Skukuna player hits the Orlando Pirates wall. Then the ball goes back to him and he tries to shoot, but it's safely saved by Sipo Chain. In the 65th minute, there's a beautiful play by Orlando Pirates from their own half. The ball ends up by Rile, who plays a through ball to Sevelebele inside the box. As he takes a shot, the ball is blocked by a Skukune United defender. For the next 10-15 minutes, there's endless attacks by Orlando Pirates, but Skukune United defenders are solid, making sure no ball goes through and no goal was scored by Orlando Pirates. The high line for Skukune United has been difficult for Orlando Pirates runners to time their runs. The referee has flagged almost 5 offside since the second half has begun. In the 82nd minute, there's a through ball by Rila Mofokeng to Mbetuma, but the Skukune defender does well to block Mbetuma and the ball is cleared. Orlando Pirates have been dominant throughout the whole second half. All Skukune United has been doing is defending attack after attack after attack after attack. In the 90th minute, Apolis plays the ball to Sevelebele, who's inside the box. Sevelebele gets the ball and dribbles through a couple of Skukune United players. But instead of shooting once the space is clear, he becomes indecisive and pushes the ball forward, making it possible for the Skukune United goalkeeper to save the ball. Skukune United's low block has been difficult for Orlando Pirates to penetrate. The Skukune United goalkeeper has been exceptional. No goal has been scored against them. Referee blows the whistle and the match is over.